Manipur Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam said that the centre has to decide on reshuffling of ministers within the BJP-led government in the state. He stated this during an inspection visit to the ongoing construction site of a government engineering college at Khangabok. Northeastern Library and Cultural Centre organized a one-day free medical health camp 2019 under the sponsorship of Excel Polyclinic and Diagnostic Centre, Hafiz Hatta, on the theme Health is Well today at Moirang Kampu, Sajeb Makhalekai. The Naga National Council Central Executive Council slammed Ulfa I Supremo Paresh Barua for blaming AZ Pizzo, father of the Naga nation, without any reason or provocation. As per a media report, the NNC was reacting to Barua's interview with the national media. Jamia Millia Islamia has submitted a fresh report to the HRD Ministry requesting judicial inquiry into the entry of police on the university premises on December 15 last. Media reports said the varsity has earlier submitted reports in the matter, and in the fresh report submitted to the ministry on 20th of this month, Jamia reiterated its request for initiation of an inquiry committee or a judicial inquiry to the incident. JEC FC Angtha defeated CYDO Changamdabi by 2-0 in the semi-final of the ongoing First Odysseus Cup 7-a-side Village Open Football Tournament 2019 at Yaripok Ningthaunai Playground. Altogether, 30 teams of 8 groups are participating in the tournament. Shillong Lajong Football Club wind up the year 2019 in style by emerging champions of the second edition of the Meghalaya State League yesterday. Shillong Lajong dropped arch rivals Rangdaijit United 3-0 on penalties after extra time ended goalless at the Thailang Phawa Stadium in Klairai. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address a Vishal rally in Delhi's Ramlila Maidan today amid intense protests across India against the contentious National Register of Citizens and Citizenship Amendment Act. Violence during protests in Uttar Pradesh have so far claimed 16 lives, while large-scale vandalism and disruption of rail and road traffic were witnessed in Bihar during a ban called by the RJD yesterday. The Congress, left and other opposition parties have led demonstrations in many states, including Kerala, Tamil Nadu and West Bengal, demanding the contentious law to be scrapped.